So, what is it?
It's only FPV Friday!
Hey, fantastic!
The new Lito that's out. DJI
We've got two versions of it, haven't we?
Yeah.
A very stripped down one and
So I've just been flying the Avata 2, but it's more to do with the goggles, obviously, the Goggles 3. Because I had a couple of guys in the week saying that the H, or the home point on the goggles has disappeared. And I can safely say they're correct. There's no home point. I mean, I did try a home point to bring the drone back. The drone come back fine. But actually on the screen, there's no indication where your home point is. Bit weird. I can only presume it's to do with the latest update. Now these guys have got the Avata, so when they put theirs up, we'll ask them if they got the home point as well.
I haven't done an update in a while.
No, so it's probably always going to be there, isn't it? But it'd be interesting to see if you've still got one. So Arv, have you got a H on your screen?
Yeah.
You have?
I have.
Right, so...
I've not updated these goggles for a long time.
Right. So you're going to be the same then, Jackie,
Actually,
aren't you?
no, because I did do an update.
Right, oh,
I did an update because I was having some trouble with my batteries, getting a battery installation error.
But
I updated everything about a week ago.
Right.
And I cleaned all my battery connections.
And but what's your goggles? Because yours
Goggles
are
2.
Goggles 2. And that's
and
what yours
one.
have, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I actually have done an update.
Right.
Yeah, I've got a good home point.
Yeah. They're so quiet, aren't they?
Yeah.
So have you got a H then, eh?
I was just going to go a little way to see.
Right.
And you're right, I haven't got no home point anymore.
Right.
Oh, that's no good at all, is it?
Unless you have to turn it on.
Oh, no, there it is, it's appeared. Yeah, I've got it.
Right. I know some people said theirs didn't always come on straight away.
Yeah, look, if I go too near,
Yeah.
it goes. So if I go further away,
Right.
yeah, it's back.
Right. See, mine.
About, what, 10 metres away?
Right. Well, mine didn't do that. I went out. It still didn't come up. There's a possibility it might be an easy fix, but it could also be an annoying fix because I've got the circle back, and getting the circle back, you have to go into camera and then scroll down and put in the central thing. And then Steve is telling me, I'm putting the camera on you now.
I told him how to do it.
So Steve was telling me about it's a yellow H, the home point on the screen. He said you've got to go into safety, come out, go back in, and it appeared. So that's good. Sorted. So yeah, that's a good thing about going out with a group of people is we can sort out all these problems that happen every now and again. But it is a bit annoying. But anyway, look.
It's a hard life, isn't it?
Oh, it is. It is. It's just
real hard life.
Anyway.
To go into a menu.
Yeah. Well, it's just annoying, isn't it? You shouldn't. You should pay all this money.
Yeah, these things shouldn't just change for no reason.
Exactly. That's it.
Menus. Any more
bacon?
I'll tell you what, it's made you no, I ain't got any bacon. I'll tell you what it has done is made me thirsty. We going to a place.
We are, yeah.
Yeah, most.
Yeah, all right.
That's if they're open.
They should be on a Saturday, shouldn't they?
There's never that many places.
See you soon now. Sooner.
Just like Shaun the drone, see you sooner.
Sooner.
Just like Joy Life Andy, see you sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. With the Roberts, see you sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner, 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 sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Pictures of Suffolk, see you sooner.
Sooner. See you sooner. Gonna see you sooner. See you sooner. Gonna see you sooner.